Hello and welcome to the CIS Sandbox tutorial for Chapter 2.2 from IT101. This is on conditional formatting, dragging functions throughout different rows, and page headers and footers. So in this table, you'll see that we're using data for consumption of alcoholic beverages per person based on education. So you see we have some different education levels here, with some average income after taxes, average annual expenditures, and a percentage of the average annual expenditures spent on alcoholic beverages. So in here, in cell F3, we're going to take and we're going to multiply E3 times D3 to get the total amount spent on alcoholic beverages. Once we have this, we'll take this formula and we'll drag it into all the other formulas. We'll choose our selection tool to say that we don't want to fill the formatting only, but we want to fill our function without the formatting. So it'll keep these bars that were here before. And then now that we have this, we're going to take and we're going to select only the cells that aren't totals, and we're going to put a conditional format on them so we can figure out the top 3 education levels that spend the most on alcohol. So in this case, we're going to go to the top bottom rule, select the top 10 items. We're going to delete the 10, put a 3 there, and we'll put it with green fill, dark green text. So now we see that associates, bachelor's, and professional degrees spend the most on alcoholic beverages. So now we have this, we can take and we will set our page area to print and the orientation. So select the entire area. We'll go to print area, set print area. You'll see that we'll set it once there's some dashes around the outside. We'll set our orientation so it's landscape. Go to File, Print, and you'll see that we already have some headers and footers here. So in order to set that, we'll go to Page Setup, Page, fit to 1 by 1 pages wide and tall. So it'll put the entire graph on one page. In the margins, we centered it vertically and horizontally. And in the header and footer, we put a custom header, put the CIS sandbox, our title in the middle, and our name in the right section. And on the footer, we put the page number and the number of pages. In the right section, we put the date. So that's how we get this, and then we set it to a color printer, so we got the colors on here too. So that is formatting and conditional formatting, setting headers and footers. Thank you for your time and good luck with IT 101.